Hello everybody, this is a Lamley unboxing, Hot Wheels US. I think that's probably a D case, but these codes are different. I think this is Dollar General. I think we're gonna find out. Sent to me by Mattel. They sent these directly from El Segundo. So these are the cases that they get, and they put one in a box, send it over to me so we can take a look. It's all about the assortment here. I don't know if we're gonna have too many surprises, but yeah, because you can see like these cars are laid out just a little bit differently, and you can see, yes, that we've got some exclusives here, and we're going to get right to them, right? So these are the Dollar General exclusives. If I remember, we did a sneak peek on this, and I'm doing this backwards, right, because they've been put in backwards. So you know these came from Mattel. These are a little bit different, right? These aren't from the distribution center. These are always, you know, when we do unboxings, usually you see the cars positioned differently. Obviously that's a little different here, but we get to see what the assortments are. And we start, well, we'll look at the Hot Wheels High, but it is the Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid. Let's look at what, yeah, these are D-case models. So this promotion starts, I believe, we'll put that in the highlight pile. We got 3 more of those. I believe this promotion starts in mid-March, and the exclusive is the Porsche. It's the Porsche 993. In fact, I have it. Let me break away and get it. All right, I got it. I actually had, when they sent these cases in the box, they sent these cases and the assortments, and they sent 2 store exclusive. This is actually the Kroger exclusive, the Jaguar Lightweight E-Type. So when we do the unboxing there for the Kroger, which I haven't gotten that case yet, and I believe that promotion starts later in March. Maybe even April. Here is the Dollar General, and it's a good one. I get the sense that there's going to be a lot of interest in this one. And it's, you know, you got to go to a Dollar General, you got to buy 20 cards. Cards, they've got to be basic cards. They don't actually have to be the same cards that you bought at Dollar General, but you do have to have a $20 receipt. I don't know if you're going to be able to buy Dollar General cases, but you need a Dollar General receipt of 20 cars plus card backs, and then you can send in for this Porsche, and it is phenomenal. Just a beautiful model. Maybe I'll open this up for a separate video or a short or something like that. All right, let's get right back to it. BMW 507, that was a debut in the DK. So is the Jeepster Commando, but we're focused on the exclusives. We showed these in a sneak peek video, right? And so this is another one, is the Corvette C7Z06 convertible in this mint green, which is very, very cool. I think we have, what do we have? 3 of those in there. And then here's the Mazda Savannah RX-7 from that D case as well. We know that everything is D case. Here's the 80 El Camino, also an exclusive. In yellow. Blue was the standard color, at least so far it's been blue. We have this exclusive in yellow. 3 more of those. So I'm seeing 3 Corvettes so far, 4 Porsches, 4 El Caminos, twin induction, Honda Super Cub. Almost said Supper Club. There is the Hot Wheels Braille Racer, the twin mill. Very, very cool model. Ah, here's the other one. This is the other one that's going to be very popular. Well, it's not the Brick and Delivery. Brick and Delivery. There, that's about as close as I'll go to get to cussing on YouTube. Brick and Delivery. All right, this thing is brick and cool. Mazda 787B in black, right? Blue is the standard color. This is going to be the car that everyone wants, right? I think the 787B has been a popular model as it's moved over to basic. We're seeing a lot of premium go to basic, right? With that Fast and Furious set that's out and stuff like that. So this one is really cool in the gold and black. And good to see that we're going to have 4 of those in this case. So that is awesome. Put those off to the side as highlights for sure. Oh, look, Batmobiles. I've never seen a Batmobile in a case before. Group C Fantasy. That one's nice too, so we'll put that offside and let's see what else we've got. I assume now it'll be a bunch of D-case models packed in backwards, of course. Chrysler Pacifica, Snoopy, and the Dodge Charger Drift. Yeah, I'll just pull these out like this, right? So I can reach. Matt and Debbie Hayes, 1988 Pro Street Thunderbird. That is the Zamac coming up. 84 Corvette and the Mercedes-Benz Unimog. Twin induction. McLaren Elva, and the Eric Stein rod. I did the D-case unboxing so long ago that I'm not going to remember what might be missing. Ford Mustang Mach-E 1400, roller toaster, and that fantastic 1990 Honda Civic. Copa Camaro, is that the Super in this case? Or is it, no, it's the Lotus. Do we see that in here? I don't know if we see it. Yeah, it's right there. It's probably the regular, but if it's the Super, I guess we'll be surprised. Copa Camaro, Rimac Navara, so cool. Copa Camaro's red too. And the Bone Shaker. (1988) Jeep Wagoneer, Time a Taxi, and the Max Steel. 2008 Ford Focus, Lucid Air, and the Nissan Skyline GTR. That's a popular one. Anything Skyline, right? And we'll pull this out this way. Nope, no Super. The colors are so close, but you just got to look for the 10 spokes, right? The real red or 10 spokes, but that would be the Super there, the Lotus Evija. Aston Martin Vantage GTE and the Diora 3. Barbie Extra, tuned 83 Chevy Silverado, and the Clip Rod. Trying not to make too much of a mess. We'll just do that. There's the Armadillo, the Lolux, and the 76 Greenwood Corvette, and we flip it. Head gasket, the fantastic 82 Cadillac Seville, and the Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connect. And we finish off, if I can reach, making a mess. Nissan Leaf Nismo, Count Muscula, and the Ford Maverick. So what are our highlights? Well, it's the 4 exclusives, right? So El Camino, Mazda 787B, Corvette C7 Z06 convertible, and one of the longest names ever, the Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid Sport Turismo. And for those of you shopping at the Dollar General, of course, the Porsche 993 GT2. That might be the true highlight of this case. You guys tell me what you think. You gonna go after that? I think it's worth it. Find a friend who, if you don't have Dollar Generals where you are, find a friend who does. Buy everything, mail in, get a few of these. Thanks, everybody. Bye.